Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on that Focus right here, 2012 model MK3. We'll show you how to remove and replace headlight on it. Okay guys, it's pretty simple. We'll show you how to do that. You don't have to remove bumpers and things like that. We've seen people mentioning that, but you don't have to. Check out our main channel. It's growing crazy fast, guys. It's in the description below. And what you need to do, we'll demonstrate on the driver's side of the vehicle. Passenger side is exactly the same. Okay, so you need to open the hood. Once you open the hood, you need to get a flathead screwdriver, and we will need to remove, okay, that screw right there. So we need to go ahead and remove that all the way. You can use a T32 if you need, but a flathead screwdriver will work as well. There is one right there in the corner. Okay, so that's the second one so far. Pretty simple. I mean, anybody can do that. And you need to pick it up right here, underneath now. Okay. And it comes in a certain angle up. Okay, like that, from the back a little bit, and it comes out. Now we need to remove the wires, and that's almost the same procedure as the Volkswagen cables. And those, if you push in and then you just push that thing to the back with your finger, you can pull it out. Okay, let me show you. This one, it needs to go towards the back and it releases the clip inside. You can see where it moves. And this is it, guys. This is the headlight right here. It's pretty simple. That's how you remove it, that's how you replace it. That's the whole procedure. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.